Yesterday we have stopped here when we are discussing about Charles, how he happened to enter the third level. I am not going into details of that, how he got into the third level, we remember. But then, how he happened to escape from the third level? What led to him to just run away from the third level? Because he was afraid. Why he was afraid? The clerk told that if you try to skin me, if you are trying to cheat me, then you will get into trouble. Not only that, he just pulled the drawer and exposed the currency that was used in the third level. Whenever you say third level means it is 18th century or something. It is the past. He has traveled into the past. Going into the third level is equal to traveling into the past. Why he went into the third level? Because he said it happened accidentally, but then Sam has got an explanation. So just looking into the drawer, he understood that it was old style bills. Bills here means rupees, money, old style money. Half again as big as the money we use nowadays. He says half of the money that was kept in the drawer was just like the currency that was used nowadays. Half again as big as the money we use nowadays and different looking. They were looking different, but of course they were different looking. The color may be different, the picture on the money may be different, the turnout totally was different. Therefore what he did, I turned away and got out fast. He thought that remaining there, it is not safe for him, because there is nothing nice about jail even in 1894. He says, going into jail not only in 20th and 21st century is bad, but even 1894 also there is nothing nice, good about going into jail. He doesn't want to go to jail, because if he remain there, sometime the reservation clerk may inform the police and he may be taken to jail. And that was that. This is what happened. I left the same way I came. I suppose he says that as he was returning, he is imagining that he has returned through the same way, because he is not very sure, because he got into a different passage which was not very familiar, but he thought that he is returning through the same way. Next, same way where he has returned, he has come to the second level. Next day during lunch hour, so coming into the second level, he was able to get home. He reached his wife, he reached his apartment. Next day during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of the bank, nearly all we had, and brought old style currency. That really worried my psychiatrist friend. So during the lunch hour, he just went to his office. And then during the lunch hour, what he did? He just withdrew $300 of the present currency from his bank. He went to the bank and withdrew this amount from his account. And he says that that was the total money he had. He didn't have more than that much money in his deposit. Nearly all we had, and brought old style currency. So what he has done, he withdrew the total amount that was in his balance account balance, that was coming up to $300 only, and then he tried to purchase old style currency. And he says, when he purchased old style currency, that really worried my psychiatrist friend. My friend psychiatrist told me that I should not look for the third level, because it was a vacant dream. So when I purchased this old currency, my friend was worried. Why the friend was worried? He has purchased this new currency in exchange of the new dollars in order to purchase ticket to go to Illinois or Galesburg. That means even after having escaped on the third level, he has not stopped looking for third level, which means that he has not tried to stop going into the past. Therefore, his friend was worried. Why? He is not only a friend, he was also his doctor. You can buy old money at almost any coin dealers, but you have to pay a premium. We came across premium. The word premium, exchange value. Foreign currency can be exchanged in India, where exchanges are done, and they will take a commission. So he says that you can buy old money at almost any coin dealer. The people who are dealing in coin. Nowadays, we have got Western money transfer, exchange. Like that, we can see the labels outside. So like that, in old time, they were having coin dealers. So you can just give the new currency and get old currency. So he went to this dealer. But only thing is that you had to give a premium, you had to give exchange value, you had to give a commission. My $300 brought less than 200 in old style bills, but I didn't care. Eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894. He says that when he just gave $300, he got less than $200 of the old currency. You see, the money had more value earlier, nowadays the value is reducing. A person was getting 300 rupees maybe per month salary earlier, but now if they are getting 30,000 or 1 lakh or something like that, what does it mean? It does not mean that your purchasing capacity has increased, because the money had a greater value in the olden time. So he says that by giving $300, even though he got only $200 or less than $200, he did not worry about it. He did not care about it, because he says that things were cheaper in 1894. Things were cheaper when he goes to Illinois or Galesburg. When he goes to the past with this less than $200, he will be purchase more egg than that he will be able to purchase now. Egg is simply given an example. What is the cost of an egg today? Maybe 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 7 rupees, 8 rupees. But then he says that only 13 cents was enough in 1894 to get a dozen of egg. Dozen means, of course, we know that 12 eggs. Now there is a disappointment for Charlie. Charlie exchanges all his saving for old style dollar bills. He had to pay a premium. That is first disappointment. But then he says he didn't mind. All new note he gave and he got a old currency. All his saving was actually exhausted in purchasing old currency. The 100 rupee of today may be equal to 1 rupee of the past. But he never found the third level. That is the disappointment. When he just exchanged the money, he says that he did not mind because the money has got value. Then after that, what he did? He went to the third level. He was not able to find the third level. So he lost all his present money. The old currency is not used in the 20th century or second level or first level. He have the old currency with him, and then he is not able to find the third level. But I have never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at the Grand Central Station, although I have tried often enough. So Charlie exchanged that money, went to the Grand Central Station, tried to enter the third level, but he never found that particular corridor which led him to the third level at the Grand Central Station earlier. Means he was not able to travel to that past after this incident. He said, although I have tried often enough, many times he tried, but he was not able to find. So that is the disappointment of Charlie. What is the disappointment of Charlie? The disappointment of Charlie is that even after having exchanged all the money that he had for the old currency with the purpose of traveling into Galesburg, to go to Galesburg, he has to take ticket from the third level. He could not find the third level. That is his disappointment. Lucia, his wife, was pretty worried when I told her all this and didn't want me to look for the third level anymore. And after a while I stopped. I went back to my stamps. He went and told his wife that I have exchanged all our collection of money. നമ്മുടെ സമ്പാദ്യം മുഴുവൻ കൊടുത്ത് I have purchased old currency for materializing our journey into the third level and also to Illinois. But he just told his wife that I am not able to find out the third level anymore. And then his wife told her that you should not look for it anymore. Leave it. Lucia was pretty worried. She was also very badly worried. When I told her all this and didn't want me to look for the third level, my wife advised me that I should not look for the third level. And after a while, after some time, I stopped. Charlie says that I stopped looking for the third level. I went back to my stance. So, one or other, you need a means to escape from the present time. Escaping into the past was a means of escape from the worries of the present time for Charlie. Now, he cannot go to the third level he could not find. Therefore, what he did, he went back to his stamp collection. Hobby is a means of escaping from the boredom of the present time. The people don't have any hobby means their life will be very monotonous. A person who does not enjoy a good song, a person who does not enjoy a good movie, a person who does not enjoy a game, nothing, no hobby absolutely means the life will be totally boring. So we have got some kind of hobby, some kind of entertainment, some kind of likeness, and because of that our life becomes smooth and comfortable. So that is why not able to go to the past, not able to go to third level. So going to Illinois, he thought it is out of question, not possible. So he found out another means. He went back to his old stamp collection. Now we are both looking every weekend because now we have proof that the third level is still there. Even though his wife told him that don't look for the third level, she was worried, my husband is becoming abnormal, is looking for what is not existing. But after some time, his wife and himself changed their attitude because they got another proof. What is the proof? Their psychiatrist friend Sam Vena disappeared suddenly. So, but now we are both looking every weekend because we have a proof that the third level is still existing. What is the proof that Charlie and Lucia got for the existence of the third level? Question can be asked. What is the proof? We are going to see what is the proof. Now coming to that point, he says what happened? All of a sudden, Sam Vena, his friend and psychiatrist, he disappeared. Nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected because Sam is a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. I went to school there and he always said he liked the sound of the place. You see, nobody knew where Sam had gone, but Charlie had a suspicion in his mind. Where he could have gone? No other place. He might have gone to Galesburg. Galesburg, third level. Charlie has entered earlier. Second time he was not able to find. Sam told that don't look for it. It is not existing. But Sam himself is disappearing into Galesburg means the idea is that everyone in the modern world needs a means of escape. Now why Charlie had a doubt about Sam's exit into the third level and resulting into his entry into the Galesburg? Because he says that Sam was a city boy, a person who has spent his life totally in the city. Always he will feel like just going into the village. So nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected because Sam is a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. So Sam was actually told by Charles about Galesburg because Charlie says that I went to school there. Why Charlie was able to explain about the beauty and peaceful atmosphere of the Galesburg? Because Charlie had experience when he was a small boy, he was going to school there. And he always said, Sam, when Charlie told about the beauty of the peaceful atmosphere of the Galesburg, Sam always said he liked the sound of the place. He explained about the sound of the place, the music of the singing of the birds, etc. Then Sam had shared with him that, yes, I like the sound of the place. And that is where he is, all right. So now Charlie came to the conclusion, he suspected that, yes, he is there, he has gone to Galesburg. In 1894, yes, he has gone to 1894. Now, what is the proof? Why he says that Sam has gone to Galesburg? Because one night, fussing with my stamp collection, I found. Well, do you know what a first day cover is? He is giving us the proof that why he believes that Sam has gone to Galesburg. Because we have seen that since he could not find the third level for the second time, Charlie has gone to his stamp collection. So one night when he was just going through his stamp collection, fussing through, അതിൻ്റെ ഇടയ്ക്കൂടെ ഇങ്ങനെ നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് he found. What he found? Well, before telling what he has found, he is telling us, well, do you know what a first day cover is? He says that among his stamp collection, he has found a first day cover. First, he is explaining to us what is a first day cover. I have already explained earlier, when a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of the sale. When a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors, the people who are going to stamp collecting as hobby, they will buy some stamps and use the stamp to mail envelopes to themselves. Only envelope will be there, contents are not there, letter is not there, and they will do it on the very first day of the sale because they want to get that stamp on the first day of the sale. And the postmark proves the date. Why they are posting that? They can purchase that stamp and paste it in their album. They are not doing it because they want the date, the seal of the post office. The envelope is called a first day cover. This kind of envelopes are known as first day cover. Question can be asked, what is a first day cover? Please note this point. They are never opened. So normally the first day covers are never opened. They just put a blank paper in the envelope. Another question, why the first day covers are not opened? Because the first day covers does not contain anything other than the blank slip, blank paper. Why blank paper? In order to prove that there is something inside, not empty envelope, because it is sent to the post office. So it is never opened because the letter is coming back to the stamp collector, the person who has posted. So he knows that there is nothing inside, therefore it is not opened. Now Sam and the third level, later he too is affected by the pulse and pressure of the modern life, and in his subconscious mind speaks of an escape route, although he knows the truth very well as he is a psychiatrist. Now you see, psychiatrist in the beginning, he was trying to correct Charlie, told him that don't look for it, you are unhappy, etc., etc. But what happened to Sam later on? Later he too is affected by the pulse and pressure of the modern life. Means he is also affected by the worries of the modern life. And in his subconscious mind, subconscious mind seeks an escape route. He was trying to escape from the present worries, although he knows the truth very well as he is a psychiatrist. He knows very well that Charlie was trying to escape, and his thought that is coming to his mind is also trying to escape from the realities of modern world. But even then what happened? He wanted to escape. So Sam also is falling a prey to the imagination, just same as Charlie. Charlie was treated by the doctor is also affected by the same disease, which means that everyone in the modern world, they need a means of escape. In the end of the story, he too discovers the third level. So, towards the end of the story, what we are going to study is that Sam also is discovering the third level. Without discovering the third level, he will not be able to escape to Galesburg. Third level of the Grand Central Station, and escaped Galesburg in 1894. So, Sam is not having a first-hand experience of this third level of Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station he knows, but Galesburg. Sam came to know about Galesburg only through Charlie. But because of the explanation and narration of Charlie, Sam also created an idea in his mind, an idea about how this Galesburg, Illinois is. And because of that, in his subconscious mind, when he was telling Charlie not to look for the third level, in his subconscious mind, Sam himself was trying to look for the third level. And that is why finally he escaped to Galesburg. Lucia and the third level. Lucia, you remember, Lucia told her husband that please don't look for it. But now what happened? However, she is credulous lady, not giving to reason, but thinks on her own. So she is a credulous lady. Credulous, she is not very easily understood. We cannot understand Lucia very easily because earlier she told her husband not to look for it. It is not existing. But then she moves according to her wish. When Charlie tells her about Sam's disappearance, she joins him in looking for the third level every weekend. You see why she is considered as a credulous lady. She told Charlie not to look for it, it is not there. But then later on, Charlie comes and tells Lucia that Sam has disappeared. Then Lucia also thought that Sam has gone to Galesburg, and both of them together started looking for the third level in the weekend. Weekend means the end of the week. So what does it mean? Here Charlie escaped to third level, Sam has already gone, and Lucia also wants to go. Which means everyone in the modern world, they want to escape into the past. They need a means of escape from the present. That night, among many oldest first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there. So he said that one night when he was looking through his stamp collection, he came across a first day cover. What is a first day cover? That was explained to us. Now he says, one night when he was fussing through, when he was going through among his oldest first day covers, he says that he found one first day cover which shouldn't have been there. Because he has never seen it earlier. But there it was. It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. He says that why it is there? Because it was there because someone had mailed that first day cover in the address of my father in the home in Galesburg. That is what the address on the envelope said. How does he know that it was addressed to his grandfather? Because on top of the envelope, it was there. On top of the envelope, the address was there. And it had been there since July 1894. The postmark showed that. What is the postmark on that particular first day cover? July 1894. He says that, yet I didn't remember it at all. ഈ കവർ അതിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലുള്ളത് ഇവൻ ഇതേവരെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. ബട്ട് ദ ഡേറ്റ് ഓൺ ടോപ്പ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് പോസ്റ്റ് കാർഡ് ഷോസ് ദാറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് വാസ് പോസ്റ്റഡ് ആൻഡ് റിസീവ്ഡ് ബൈ ദ ഫാദർ ഇൻ July 1894. ഹിസ് ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദർ റിസീവ്ഡ് ദിസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡേ കവർ ദർ. ബട്ട് several times he went through this collection of stamp and first day cover. But Charlie had never seen, but only this particular night he happened to see. It is coincided with the disappearance of the Sam. The stamp was a 6-cent dull brown with a picture of the President Garfield. The stamp which was pasted on this particular envelope was a dull brown color with a picture of the President Garfield, the President of America, the President Garfield. Picture of that president was there on the stamp. Naturally, when the envelope came to Granddad in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there. So he come to the conclusion that when this envelope came to the Granddad, naturally it went to his collection because it's the first day cover. There will be no letter. Grandfather might have posted in his own name, and that is why it remained there in his collection. Till I took it out and opened it. അവനത് എടുത്ത് തുറക്കുന്നോടം വരെ അത് തുറക്കാത്ത ഒരു കവറായി ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദറിൻ്റെ കളക്ഷനിലുണ്ട്. ആ കളക്ഷനാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ചാർലിയുടെ കയ്യിലുള്ളത്. The paper isn't blank, it read. So he says that today what happened, that first day cover when he opened it was not blank. Normally the first day cover used to be blank. You see, in this paragraph there are a lot of things which is not meeting with our reason. He says that this particular cover was there in the collection of grandfather, but this Charlie has never seen it. Again, the father first day cover means this letter is posted by this granddad, and that is why granddad's address is given on the first day cover. It was not opened again, but now Charlie took it and opened, but when he opened it he found that it was not blank, something was written in it. It read. എന്താണ് ആ ലെറ്ററിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്കിനി കാണാം. We already mentioned what is the first day cover. It is an envelope with a stamp on it that stamp collectors mail to themselves on the first day of sale of mark the date. They are usually empty and not meant to be opened. We have already discussed this matter. Now, President James Garfield, who is he? We came across because we said that the stamp which was pasted on that particular first day cover was the picture of James Garfield. See, James Abraham Garfield, that is his full name. He was born on 19th November 1831. He was assassinated, he was killed on 19th September 1881. He was the 20th President of the United States of America. He is the only sitting member of the United States House of Representatives to be elected to the presidency. That is one of the speciality. Now we are coming to the letter. The letter which was enclosed inside that first day cover. You can ask question, why that letter is there in a first day cover? You see, there are certain things which is explained here which is not matching with the reason. Now it will not match with the reason because these are all imagination, these are all escape routes. Okay, and that is why there is no explanation for that. So in the first day cover which he came across on that particular day, there was a letter inside. It is written like this: the address 941 Willard Street, Galesburg, Illinois, July 18, 1894. സോ ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദർ ജീവിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന അതേ സമയത്ത് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ലെറ്ററാണ്. ആ ലെറ്ററിൽ അഡ്രസ്സ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. എവിടെ നിന്നാണ് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്? ഡേ ആൻഡ് ഡേറ്റ്, മന്ത് ആൻഡ് ഇയർ ഓൾസോ ഈസ് മെൻഷൻ. ബട്ട് ഇൻസൈഡ് ദാറ്റ് ലെറ്റർ, ദ ലെറ്റർ വാസ് അഡ്രസ്ഡ് ടു ചാർലി. Probably Charlie was not alive at that time. But then this letter is addressed to Charlie. It is mystery. Why it is like that? I got wishing that you were right. The first sentence says that I got wishing that you are right. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? നീ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യം സത്യമാണ് എന്ന് വിഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഞാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു, ചിന്തിക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു. Then I got to believing you were right. First I thought that what you said should be right. Then after some time I started believing that you were right. And Charlie, it is true. Now he is making Charlie to understand that yes, what you said, it is true. I found the third level. The writer says that I have found the third level because Charlie went once, second time he could not find, several times he tried with his wife also, they could not find the third level. But now the writer of this particular note says that he has found the third level. That means third level is existing. I have been here 2 weeks. He says that രണ്ടാഴ്ചയായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെയാണ്. And right now what am I seeing? Now the street at the Dale is someone is playing a piano, because Sam had said earlier that he liked the music, he liked the sound. He says that Dali, that's the name of a person, Dali's house, someone is playing the piano, the sound of the piano right now I can hear. And they are all out on in the front porch singing Nelly home. So people had time there in 1894 to sit in front of the house in the porch on the ground and sing a song and enjoy. So he says that yes, people are sitting in front of the house in the porch and they are singing this beautiful song. And I am invited over for a lemonade. He says that he has been invited for a refreshment, lemonade. Come back, Charlie and Lucia. So now he is inviting, come back, Charlie and Lucia. Keep looking till you find the third level. He is advising him, asking him to look for the third level. It is worth it, believe me. He says that finding the third level and reaching Galesburg, Illinois, it is worth because it is a very beautiful place, beautiful music, beautiful sound, beautiful scenery and peaceful life. The note is signed by Sam. Arani letter ayachadu Sam. The letter has been signed by Sam. Sam is living in the present century. The letter was written on July 18, 1894. Charlie probably was not alive at that time. Sam was also not alive, but the letter is like that. And this is the proof where Sam has got in his hand in order to believe that the third level is existing. And that is why Charlie and